exploitation in Kajo-Keji be behind the UPDF SSPDF clashes? This is an analysis. Recent reports have confirmed violent clashes between the Ugandan People's Defense Forces, that's UPDF, and the South Sudan People's Defense Forces, that is SSPDF, in Kajo-Keji County, in case you did not know. This Kajo-Keji County is located in central Equatoria State. These hostilities come amidst ongoing mineral exploration activities by foreign companies, including an Israeli firm conducting aerial surveys and ground sampling in the same region. Let me take you through the background. Mineral riches spark interest. South Sudan is reportedly endowed with over 22 types of minerals, many of which remain uncharted. The government has actively sought international partnerships to conduct digital surveys and mapping aimed at harnessing this potential wealth. In late August 2023, an Israeli company, Batwa, arrived in Juba equipped with a helicopter to conduct a digital mineral survey in Kajo-Keji. Samples collected are sent to Israel for laboratory analysis. This exploration follows a similar agreement with a Russian company to conduct mineral mapping across the country. These incentives signal South Sudan's ambition to develop its extractive industries as a pillar for national economic growth. Strategic significance of Kajo-Keji. Kajo-Keji lies on the Uganda-South Sudan border and has historically been a volatile area due to ethnic tensions, border disputes, and smuggling activities. The introduction of valuable mineral resources into this fragile setting adds a new dimension of strategic and economic importance to the territory. Linking mineral exploration to military classes. Given the timeline and location, several factors suggest mineral exploration might be a contributing factor to the recent clashes between UPDF and SSPDF. Computation over control. Control over mineral-rich territories can translate into substantial economic and political power. Both Uganda and South Sudan may perceive strategic value in securing or influencing Kajo-Keji, potentially escalating military presence and tensions. Presence of foreign companies and equipment. The arrival of foreign survey teams, supported by helicopters and security details, introduces new stakeholders. Their activities might disrupt existing local power balances or economic interest, triggering friction. Border security and sovereignty issues. Mineral exploration often requires secure access to exploration sites. Disagreements over territorial boundaries and jurisdiction can quickly become militarized, especially in areas with porous and contested borders like Kajo-Keji. There is also economic incentives for armed groups. Control over minerals can finance armed groups or local militias, indirectly fueling conflict. Both armies may face pressure to exert control over lucrative mining zones. Let's also look at alternative perspective of this report, which came from iRadio. While mineral exploration is a plausible factor, it is important to consider other overlapping causes, which I already talked about. That's long-standing border disputes, ethnic rivalries, and other political issues. Local ethnic groups with ties on both sides of the border may leverage national armies to protect or advance their interests. Smuggling and also illicit trade. So those could be the other alternative perspectives. Thank you.